गुड आफ्टरनून सिमरन, कैसे हैं आप?
I'm good. How are you?
आई एम फाइन बेटे। तो बेटा आपने हमने थिन डेंटल क्लिनिक जमालपुर लुधियाना से आपने ब्रेसेस लगवाई हैं और अलाइनर्स लगवाए हैं। क्या आप एक बार स्माइल करके दिखाएंगे? देखिए, मैं कैमरामैन से कहूँगा कि वो पास में लाइन दिखाएंगे बेटे। हाँ, तो अरे यहाँ तो पता ही नहीं लग रहा आपने कौन से अलाइनर्स लगवाए हैं।
Yeah, these are not visible at all.
अच्छा,
These are
वाह,
not visible, yeah.
ये दिखते
And
नहीं हैं।
yeah, and I was so worried that how I will gonna look after getting my treatment, dental treatment, because there were a lot of spaces in my teeth. So I was scared, and but once these aligner treatment went well, and after these aligners got fixed, I'm so much confident because these are not at all visible, and I can go anywhere by wearing these, and these are flexible. We can remove and eat at normal, eat like normal persons, and we do not have to take much take much like into, we need not to take any much care that how we will gonna look and all, because once we will eat, finish our eating, we can again remove, again wear this. So this particular point is very much okay for me, so I opted aligners, and as you can see, clearly not visible.
दैट्स ग्रेट, दैट्स सो नाइस ऑफ यू सिमरन। बट सिमरन आपको इसकी कॉस्ट के हिसाब से डू यू थिंक इट इज़ कॉस्टली या वैल्यू फॉर मनी है?
Absolutely value for money, because braces, these will be braces are not only visible, but it could hurt as well. Sometimes wire get break or something else, but in case of aligners, no need to worry that my wire will hurt my teeth or like this, those points. So it's completely value for money.
और आपका रोज रोज का आने का झंझट, यू डोंट नीड टू कम फॉर द अपॉइंटमेंट्स ना?
Yeah, my appointment with doctors have been reduced, where I have to visit doctor once in a month. Now I can visit doctor only at the time when I need to change my aligners, or in case I have on issues.
And Simran, as you know, मतलब you told us that you have come all the way from Dehradun after watching our YouTube channel, right? और ये भी तो आपको फायदा है ना, दिस इज अ बेनिफिट कि you don't have to come many times to Ludhiana for
Yeah.
this. You just came last time, and now this time we are provided with the aligners, and you may not have to come again,
Yeah.
right? You are most welcome anytime, but as we have given you all the aligners, and you don't have to come again. है ना?
Yeah.
So far off people can get the treatment overhead. What do you think about it?
Yeah, this is very considerable point, because commuting to a different city is not easy at all. So I wanted to get my aligner treatment done from here, because I have ability and team of professional dentists there. So I wanted, but I was also concerned for the point that I need to visit once in a month, and in case of winters, where driving is not easy at all. So I was worried, but when I met you and you told me about this aligner treatment, and that in this particular treatment there is no need to visit once in a month, so I was happy. And after alignment, after getting this treatment, I'm super happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Simon. Thank you very much.